Long day, but we've got it up to the point where you got to put grout in it. And put trimmer in the windows that they have, which can be upgraded to something fancier. We put the medicine cabinet back in, and the light I'll have to take back down. We added lights. You want to come up here? Both here and over the shower. By feeding it over, we actually had to open up the ceiling right there, and then put a piece of wood up there and put it back up, and I'll have to seal that up, make it look a little better than that. But we had to feed a wire over to here and then over there. All that's LED, including the light fixture. I'm a big believer in LED. And again, this is all on a mobile home that people say you can't do it.
Yeah.
Hey, love the ceramic tile slash glass is on the walls of this mobile home. And we haven't spent a fortune on it. We have spent quite a bit of money. And we're putting the unsanded grout in the cracks up. I know, again, some ceramic tile guys are like, oh, you're using a finisher now. But you can actually use anything flat. You can use a spatula for that matter. If you're really good with a spatula, yeah, I recommend that. But this is not a video about how to do ceramic tile. This is a video about how you can do these things in mobile homes. So we'll show you a little bit later what other things we're going to be doing in this situation and what the finished product will look like. Okay, finished product, not as fancy as a big fancy house, but it's a little place. I would have done a more detailed thing about how to do ceramic tile. This is more about me showing you, even in the smallest of places, you can actually do the nice stuff they have in fancy houses. So you can. You're an American, not American.